Hello everyone, this is Nesuk, back, finally back, for the Final Fantasy VIII Ragnarok mod in Lionheart. So, to explain why I didn't continue this LP for so long, I had a big issue with this game, with the mod Rosenwine, which is needed for installing this mod. Otherwise you have to use Xedit, which I'm not comfortable doing. Yeah, so basically I have an issue where the game was launching, but the sound didn't work, and that was really annoying. I couldn't figure out what was the problem, and so I just end up having a new PC since then, and reinstalled the game, reinstalled the mod, reinstalled everything, and it works. So I had to restart everything because I didn't have my old save as a result. But I did basically what I said I will do. So I grind out Thunder Magic Refine with Quetzalcoatl, and that's all. I'm learning Mid Magic in Refine, and with Shiva, which I rename not. Anyway, I learned Ice Magic Refine and STR Junction, because strength is good in this game, especially way later. For Ifrit, I learned Fire Magic Refine, and I'm currently learning HP Junction, because HP is always good to have. And I grind some, I just draw 100 of the basic spell, which are Thunder, Cure, Blizzard, and Fire. Same for Squall. So I just draw 4 of all this one. I could have drawn also some statue effect magic, but I didn't want to. So anyway, last time we have beaten Ifrit, which was a sort of a beginner test to see if we could pass the actual exam. But I know already about that. You know, Callisto, in his mod, Mexico managed to basically completely remove the tutorial. I think you should do the same, because honestly the tutorial are kinda pointless. I think anyone who played this mod will already know how to play with Final Fantasy VIII, and I think the tutorial are pointless. But yeah, sorry for that very long absence. Took me really a long time to come back to this, and I know a 1.3 version is in the making. This is a 1.2 A version, so yeah. So maybe by the time I end up this LP, I will during the LP probably I wouldn't be surprised if the update come out. So anyway, this is just basic stuff. We are just gonna change uniform. I actually wish there was a mod that let us choose which uniform we want with Squall, because I think this uniform here is actually better than his normal uniform. I'm not a big fan of his normal uniform. And I don't understand why this uniform didn't make it as a costume in Dissidia. At least Dissidia and Dissidia 12, I didn't play Dissidia NT. But yeah, anyway. So here she is gonna explain us what we or teammates are gonna be. And our first teammate is this guy. So this is the typical annoying character in comic relief in JRPG. There is always one. Well, his name is Zell. Yeah, I already know about his limit break. Basically, his limit break Ringmaster work like a fighting game. You just enter a chain of input with a limit time. This is actually a pretty good limit break. especially if you know the right combination. I had them noted, but I don't have them anymore. Maybe I should try to see. Anyway, and we got him with us, Mr. Cypher motherfucker. I don't like him. This is the worst character in the game, to be honest. Oh yeah, I forgot. I forget to do something in the episode 1, which I did when I restart this game, and this was going to talk to Selfie in the quad. And if you talk to her and agree to join her little club of party, or I don't know what, you get a bonus item later. So here we have Robbie Williams explaining us what the mission is gonna be. Blah 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 blah. You know, I played this game so many times, it's really annoying that we can't just skip the cutscene, the dialogue. I know this is an old game and all, but... And yes, I'm playing the original Steam version, not the remaster, because quite frankly, I don't think the remaster is worth it. Especially if you want to play the Ragnarok mode, as there is still some features that aren't in the remaster version. Alright, you know what, I'm an idiot. Yeah, let's put the ice pink thing. I'm gonna just skip this dialogue. This is just basically Cypher teasing Zen. And squabbling the lonely AG that he is. What kind of... Alright. So here... What purpose does road have? So this car is badass. Yes. I love doing that. This is so funny. Let's just go. Yeah, I know there is a noting system, but quite frankly, this is not my cup of tea. Okay, so this is just another briefing. Nothing too major. Ok, je laisse la cinématique. Sorry, speaking French for a moment. I'm French. That music is badass. Fun fact, if you remove the music for this part, there is voice. Okay, but why? Anyway. Yeah, I always love this music. This music is just cool. In general, I think Final Fantasy VIII has the best OST of the series. Like, really, I think this is the overall best OST. There isn't a single track I dislike in this game. Alright, let's go. So, let's just save. We're gonna save on a different slot. Alright, gonna switch junction between Cypher and Quistis. I'm gonna remove Shiva from Squall and give it to Zell, just so he has some magic too. Alright, so what magic does... Okay, so these were all the magic that Cypher has. And we're gonna steal all of them, of course, because he's a temporary party member. So yeah, and Cell has some Berserk Shell. Alright, I think I'm gonna give him... I'm gonna have to draw some stuff with Zell, probably. But first, I think if I can give him... that. I think this is gonna give him a better strength boost. Oh yeah, I use the element attack on Shiva. So I'm gonna try to draw some junction, some magic from this guy with Zell, because currently Zell doesn't have the basic magic, and these guys are very easy. Oh fuck! I forgot to put into draw. Big fail on my part. But it's really hard. Basically, in this mod, Zell is just a powerhouse. Like seriously, he does more damage than the Squall with critical. That's actually critical. Alright. So, gotta correct my mistake. Draw item. By the way, I really don't. I'm really not a fan of limit break in this. Of summon in this game. In case you couldn't tell, I'm gonna do this because if I remember correctly, the next quote-unquote boss is gonna be weak to ice, I think. May have to scan to be sure. So anyway. Oh, come on. They're pretty hard. Honestly, it's been such a long time I haven't played the basic Ragnarok mod. I honestly don't remember how harder there is. So I'm gonna draw magic with him, with Zell, and I come back to you. Alright, we are good. Let's just kill this bastard. Alright. This is still pretty easy. Some potions are nice. Okay. So, this is just a series of scripted fights. There is nothing nothing worth mentioning for now, especially since this soldier are really easy. By the way, yeah, this will be better. So yes, you can see that Zell is really tuned out to be a physical powerhouse in this mod. He has high strength, high vitality, low magic, and very low spirit. So yeah. This is basically a more extreme Squall. Squall is like him, high vit, high strength, but he has at least some decent magic. Cypher is supposed to be strength, but for now I'm using him as a mage. Alright. Alright. Let's just kill this dude. There is nothing else to do. Just attack like crazy. Zelda damage are really good here. I'm happy for that. Alright. So now, just gonna beat the crap out of this dude there. And we will move on afterward. Okay. And that's done. Okay, so now this is just a cutscene. We're just waiting. We're just waiting that. There's really nothing else to do. You're an idiot, Cypher. But he got a point. That mission is boring. So of course, what are we gonna do? Disobey order. Because this game would be very boring if you didn't. Alright. So, just want to remove that. Wow, no encounter on the bridge. I'm impressed. I'm actually impressed. Generally, I always have an encounter on the bridge. But this is cool that we don't have one for once. Okay, and for some reason now we fight a snake. Yeah. And we got struck first. Damn it. Whatever, Cypher. Ooh, god damn! Well, bye Zell. Oh man. Let's cure Squall, shall we? I wasn't expecting that. 500 damage. Jeez. That hurt. Let's see. What does he do? If I remember correctly, he's weak to ice, but the patch note mentioned that there is some modification on elemental defenses. Ice, alright. Man, this cure were poor or bad. I'm better off using potion with them. Let's use Blizzard. And I forget to junction Blizzard to elemental attack with Squall and Zell. That really hurt, man. Oh, already? let's use some limit break. I don't know if he's gonna do more damage than Blizzard. But I forgot that Cypher has a special condition in which he can use his limit break earlier than other characters. Damn, got a low crisis level, but the damage were good. And by Squall. Damn, that hurt. That snake is really not messing around. And he's fast. Okay. Can I get? No. Too bad. I did some good damage with Squall there. So... Oh yes, he has that. I don't think... No, that's not enough. And just attack Zed. Well, he's dead. Okay. Okay, so... Okay, so at this point, I'm just gonna take all the magic of Cypher to Quistis for later. Did I take everything? Oh, he still has that. That's 100. That's 100. I think these are lost. Yeah, these are lost. I can't give it to anyone. That's sad. Ah, too bad. And let's just remove the junction. Okay. Where am I at? Okay, so next boss should allow me to learn that. Same. And same. Okay, I should learn this on the next boss. Okay. I'm just gonna run away from one more counter. I don't have any interest in fighting them for now. When I get... oh goddamn. 2 encounter in the row. Seriously. Oh. Let me just see what the red dude has to steal. Damn it. Ah, he has nothing interesting. Can you kill them? I would love it if we can. Yeah, he didn't kill them. Oh, give potion plus? Nice. That could be interesting to farm actually, but I don't want to be too over level. Anyway. More cutscene. Greatest character introduction ever. Right. So this is Selphie, and this is our new party member. Right. Okay, so I'm just gonna cure that. So Ledger Junction. So Selphie is magic oriented, basically. So Quetzalcoatl is a perfect junction for her. I'm just gonna recover all the magic from this. Alright. Can do better for now. So this will have to do. So she actually came with some life spell, protect, and blind. And some no, so that was justice. Okay. Oh, that's nice. I don't know why there is no song there. This was already the case before. In PS1 version there is the wind song, but there isn't here. Let's go. So let's see. What is this? Ezuna. Gonna draw with Selphie because she has the highest magic. Save here and have a little fight. I'm not gonna fight it. Go. Go up. Let's just I speed through that, and we will have our next boss. Just gonna speed up through all of that. And let's go. Boss fight. So, let's see how this goes. So first we're gonna fight Pigs alone. Alright. Not too bad. So let me... He don't have any weakness, I think. So let's just attack. Oh yeah, I think he can this is a counter actually. Yes, this is a counter. So he can counter attack, so let's be careful with that. I actually gonna do something. Oh shit, I thought I messed up. I thought this was Zell's turn. He has a thing against Squall. Okay, let's see. This is good damage. There's Wedge. I don't know if Biggs gets heal after that. Let me see. Because now you just have to deplete the HP of one of them. Yeah, he's fully healed. I think Wedge has actually less HP than Biggs. So I think I'm gonna focus on Wedge for now. Oh damn, that hurts. And Wedge doesn't counter, so I think we are better to focus on him. Yeah. He really hurts. Stop clicking on selfie. Please. Yeah, that's not gonna help, buddy. You please attack Squall. That would be better. Yeah. I think it's better to focus on Wedge because Big's counter is really hard. It's really hard. So I think this is safer to attack Wedge. Oh god. Well, there goes Zell. Again. Dude, that punch is so fucking hard. Okay. This is not ideal. I would have preferred to start this fight with everyone alive. But yeah. So oh god damn it. Let's try to revive Zell, but I think this is gonna be hard. Yeah. Oh, come on, dude. Really? Well, no use resurrecting Zell for now, because if I remember correctly... Oh, no, he actually do something different. Wake up! And heal yourself. In the base game, he use this every free turn. Not the case here. This is just way too... Oh, actually. What does that do? I don't remember. Okay, I think this is buff. Yeah, this is some buffing. Yeah, this is buffing. This is good actually. I don't know how many HP he has. I'm not gonna bother with it for now. Well, good thing I use Fortify. Okay, this wasn't too bad. So now I should use Storm Breath again. Yes. This was maybe... Oh merde. Shit. Messed up, I do. I should have thrown the Bizarra. Yeah, this doesn't work. And of course he attacks it. Oh, come on. Sometimes menuing doesn't work. Yeah, let's throw that. Selfie's limit break is good early on when you don't have access to all the spell. Damn it, this is gonna be rough. I'm gonna use potion. What? What? Oh damn, I don't remember he had that. I actually didn't know he had that. Was this in the vanilla version? I don't remember. Okay. Oh, this is bad. Oh, this is really bad. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna make it. Zell dying just before the real fight start was really bad. Because I just have no way to get him back. I just have to... I just have to heal that. I just can't lose turn to revive him. And of course he's gonna do that. Alright, that's a rip. Let's try again. Damn. I swear, the sound of this game is just so fucking... so high for some reason. Really, the sound of this game is just really high. For no reason. Does blind work against him? Because really what annoys me here is his punch attack. Of course it doesn't. Of course it doesn't work. That would be too good. I don't know what or the odd that is counter. Oh, come on. You just pick on Zell for some reason. Yeah, I think using Squall Limit Break was a big mistake. Because no, I didn't. No, he doesn't. He isn't healed. Last time since I killed him, he was healed. No, yeah, he's not healed. Right. Yeah, no, he's not healed, so I just have to attack him 2 or 3 times, and this is gonna do it. Of course, here's the counter. Yeah, Zell's cure is so bad. I'm better using potion with Zell when I want to heal. Do it. Yeah, we are good. So now for the real fight. Should be a little bit better with 3 characters. But first let's steal Squall. And you know what? Let's just do this. At least I had a consistent source of damage. The graphics were weird there. Or is it just me? Damn, why do they really hate Zell for some reason? Damn it! Come on, man. They really pick on Dell. On him. This is crazy. This is just crazy, man. That's not bad. Sleep. Alright, I can live with that. Just gonna do this. Nice. Not sure. Alright. Yeah, that is dead. Ah, come on, I'm playing like shit right now. I'm playing this really bad. I think I'm gonna have to use my double. Because I'm just so bad currently. This is actually crazy. Of course, he got his turn before me. Oh, Zell. Squall didn't die. Alright. Let's do some damage. Oh, come on. No, dear, out of divide. Seriously. Let's see how much this does. He's weak to wind, if I remember. Nah, not really good. I was expecting better. Oh, by all means, I really don't care about magic for him. In fact, this actually helped me more than anything. Let's see. Alright. good. Now for Storm Breath, I think. Yes. Oh. Let's go with the flower. That was lucky, man. Nah, he doesn't have enough. That was lucky. But not enough to kill him. I swear, why do they always pick on Dell? Okay, so... Ah. That was bad. Okay. Done. Yes, so I wanted to show something about this mod. Particularly in this mod, you don't have to draw the GF to get them. You can just beat the boss and you'll get them automatically. And normally you get a bonus item for beating the boss without... So the thing is, when you draw the GF from boss that has GF, you nerf the boss. I don't remember what are the difference for this one, but the boss get weaker when you draw the GF. When you beat him at his strongest, you get normally some bonus item. Here you get a 1 mega potion and 2 magic stone and the journal and 10 silence powder. So you get a lot of things. Only 14 IP? I thought it would be more. Alright, so I'm gonna speed these things up. Okay, so I have to be fast. So, Siren. I'm gonna start by learning this. Associate into Squall. Junction to Magic. And yeah, Junction this. Thunder. This. Thunder. And shit. This. Alright. So go down. I'm not gonna use the speed up feature here because I fear this might mess up the timer. Okay. So because we have an additional boss, everyone who knows this game knows it already. We're gonna save this, and I'm gonna stop the recording for now. Alright, so I'm gonna do the next boss after in the next episode. For this episode I'm gonna stop there. So see you on the